Click on an invitation link from others to enter the bot interface. Then select your preferred language and click the Start button to begin checking your account status. Here, the bot will rate your account based on 4 aspects. Since my account is brand new, my account score is only 10 points, and then I proceed to the tutorial page. Here we can see there are a total of 5 steps. I'll start with the first one. In the first step, Bool Bot provides us with 4 tasks to join the community. Completing these tasks can earn you 200 Bool. Moving on to the second step, our balance is at 0, and here we need to wait for 2 minutes for the chain to complete the transaction. After the transaction is completed, my balance reaches the minimum amount required for staking. Here, I suggest choosing a node with the highest yield for staking. I staked all the 210 Bool I had previously earned. After completing this, click Next. At this point, we need to wait for about 2 hours to receive the first staking reward.
2 hours later.
After refreshing and confirming the receipt of the reward, we can proceed to the next step. Having completed the above steps, I met the 2 conditions for receiving a badge. Click to claim the badge and proceed to the next step. After holding the badge, you can get e-lottery chance. Click the congratulations button to enter the lottery page. Click Lucky Me to draw the corresponding Bool. I have drawn a reward of 80 Bool. I can gain more lucky draw chances by inviting more new users and encouraging them to complete the badge collection process. The amounts in the lottery are completely random and thank you all for watching. In the next video, I will delve deeper into the various pages and features of the Bool Bot.
Bool Network, unlocking Bitcoin's potential trustlessly.